welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could edit an Outlook signature. To do that, just click New Email and click on Signatures section, select Signatures, and here you will see all your signatures appearing. Make sure to select the right one. For now, I have only one, so it's appearing here, and I clicked and it shows now in blue, so it's selected. And here I can click in the text and edit what I want to edit. Once you are done with editing, you can click OK, and your editing should have changed. Close the email, reopen new email again, and normally you should see the correction has taken effect. If you don't see that, just close and restart Outlook again and it should work. I hope this video tutorial was easy to follow and was helpful. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment or send us an email and we will do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.